Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you how to associate Google account with a device. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to associate a device with your Google account, well, in this case, this one is quite simple. Now, typically, what's the general process here? Now, the general process for you to associate in this case, a device into your Google account, you just need to log in using that device. So if you're using a PC, you just need to go to google.com in any browser, and you want to go and click on the sign in button at the top right here inside google.com. And from here, you just need to provide your details like the email or the phone number that is associated with your Google account. And from then on, just enter your password. Now, once you've done that, your device will be automatically linked or associated with your Google account. Now, how about for phones? How do you exactly do it? Now, for mobile devices, this one is quite easy as well. You just need to go to your settings. Inside your settings, you want to scroll down a bit here, look for Google services or Google specifically. Let's go and select this one. And from here, you want to go ahead and just basically add your account. Now, in this case, if you haven't added your account yet, well, typically it will give you the option to sign in with your Google account. Now, if not yet, you want to go and just click on the user account that you currently have right now. So for here, you want to go and just choose the add another account. And from here, you want to go ahead and just basically log in into your Google account. Now, once you do log in, you should be able to associate that device into your Google account. Now, in some cases, if you want to view or manage those devices, well, it's quite easy as well. What you need to do is you want to go and access or click on your account here. Click on manage your Google account. And you want to go and scroll down a bit here, select the security and sign in option. And if you scroll down a bit here, you should be able to see the Your Devices section. Now, if you want to manage your devices, just click on the Manage All Devices, and you'll be able to see all the devices that this Google account is associated on. So, for example, let's go access one of the devices here. Select that one. And from here, you should be able to see the option to start managing that specific account. So let's just wait for a while here. And as you can see right now, our device is in here. Now, if you want to sign out, find this device or whatever you want to do in here, you can go and just do that in here, and that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.